Yo, what's going on, guys? As you can see today, I have the Ducky One SF, not the mini. If you can see, it's a 65% keyboard. That's what the SF stands for, 65. One problem, that made the biggest noob mistake anyone that makes YouTube videos can ever make, and that's not hit record. As you can see, I'm in the process of changing the keycaps. This is my old keyboard. In comparison, size comparison, this is a lot smaller. I did not expect it to be this small. I expected it to be small, but not this small. It's a lot smaller. Not necessarily in length. Length is, it's not too bad. The difference isn't like that great, as you can see. If I line it up properly, not that much longer, but hey ho. So anyways, as you can see, I get these nice blue keycaps that Ducky send as like an added bonus for purchasing their item, you know, in the box. Nice little keycaps. I'm gonna add those on there, so you know. So this is the box you got, the 1.2 SF. Very well packaged, and it shows you what you got, what you ordered. Okay, it doesn't want to focus, right? White case. Cherry MX blues. These are RGB ones because it's an RGB keyboard. Wanted to make sure that RGB is gonna come through. You get a wire, but I'm not gonna be needing this. I'm gonna show you guys in a second why. And you get a Ducky wire keycap puller. People have been saying it does feel a little bit cheap. I've never used a wire keycap puller before, but it's a nice little touch. I appreciate the little things. Also gives you different keycaps. I have a UK layout, but it also gave me like the standard US layout, except for 3 keys, which I tried to point out before. These 3 keys, because they are not because this is not a completely standard layout, these 3 keys here have all changed in size. So these are just 1 unit keys. I'm not sure what the units is on this, I can't remember. The year of the rat keycap or space bar. I just installed that now. I was in the process, like I said, in the process of swapping the keys out, and noticed that it wasn't recording. So the wire, the reason why I'm not using the wire is I actually ordered one of these custom keyboard cables with an aviator connector on it. Really nice, seems to be really good quality, which is the most important part. But yeah, so seeing as I'll go through this again. Type C connection is on the left side of the board. Some Ducky branding. It's very bright outside. I have the windows, the blinds up. Otherwise, it's too dark and you won't be able to see much. Yeah, man, it's really nice keyboard. Minimum flex. I've heard some stuff about this front bit here. A little bit of flex, nothing too. I ain't worried about nothing like that. No, there's no flex at the top. Really, there's a little tiny bit. It's more so at the this bottom part here. But when you're playing your game, you're not gonna be pushing down on this part, are you? Or trying to flex it to see. So it doesn't really matter as long as the keys feel good, which they feel really good. I'm gonna do a sound test at the end too, so stay tuned for that. And let me get to removing these keycaps, and I'll come back to you guys. Strange part is, these keycaps are going on the switch a lot easier than the ones included with the board, which is a little bit strange to me. Also, I believe the keycaps that come with Ducky are ABS plastic, I believe. They get shiny over time, which is don't really want that on my keyboard. These pudding keycaps from HyperX, about $25 for a pack from Amazon. If I remember, I'll put the link in the description down below. But these are really good keycaps. You'll see after, especially for RGB. Woo! Oh, this is too bright. I'm gonna cut all the lights out so you guys can see this. God damn, that is bright. That's much brighter than my old keyboard. Great keyboard, K65, but man, this is bright. This is way brighter than the other keyboard. Holy, that looks clean. This is insane, bro. This is amazing. Right, so here we have in all its glory. You can see those pudding keycaps, man. The RGB shine through is phenomenal. Alright, so we have, this is the first mode we have. It's fading in and out of the colors. It's like rainbow. This is kind of cool. It's kind of clean. It's a little bit pale though. What about if I increase the speed? Ooh. Changes color each time. Just in white, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, these you can like customize the colors with these three, but I'm not gonna mess around with that right now. Lights up the ones around it. That's clean. I like that. That's straight up white. There's no like hint or any other colors to me anyway. It's like breathing, which is great. There isn't like a tinge of yellow or blue, which there is sometimes I've seen on other keyboards. It's just solid, I'm guessing. It's like a spiral there, and that's off. You go back to the original. Oh, I love how that like comes in when you turn it on. Ooh, that's so clean, man. Now for the stabilizers. So the stabilizers are really good. Like I said, I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep this spacebar. It looks really clean with this spacebar though. I really like it. Oh my god. Whoo! That's some good loot right there. Smoked. Was that worth it, bitch? Ha! Oh my god! Get the... you piece of shit! Been lurking in the shadows. Get the fuck out of here. The was a little bit toxic, but that fool got smoked. There you have it, Ducky 12 SF with the HyperX pudding keycaps and these extra colored keycaps that I bought from banggood.com. This is the configuration I ended up going with in the end. The colored keycaps you see on the outside, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but they are actually shorter in height than the other keycaps I have in the middle, but that's fine to me. Actually like that. It just creates like a whole different look on the keyboard that you don't typically see, which is completely fine by me. I actually really like the look of it. If I remember, I will leave a link in the description for these keycaps if you would like, and hope to see you guys in the next video. Drop a like if you enjoyed the video, if you liked my unboxing / review. If you didn't, drop a dislike, let me know why, so in the future I can improve the quality for you guys. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos. See you guys in the next one.